Let's find the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix 2, 5, 3, 9. What we do when we're finding the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix is we take this diagonal 2, 9, and we multiply it together, and then we subtract the product of the other diagonal, the 5 and the 3. So we have 2 times 9 minus 5 times 3. 2 times 9 is 18. 5 times 3 is 15. So 18 minus 15 is 3. The determinant of this matrix is 3. So let's just create a little formula here. Assume I have a 2 by 2 matrix A with the elements A, B, C, and D like this. Then the determinant of A, which I can write either this way or this way, is going to be equal to A times D minus B times C. And if you look back at that first problem we did, we followed this exact pattern. So we could just use this for every other 2 by 2 matrix. Say I wanted to find the determinant of matrix 2, 5, 3, 4. Well, the 2 and the 4 are in the A and D positions, so I would multiply those two together. Then I subtract B times C. 5 and 3 are in the B and C positions, so I would subtract 5 times 3. 2 times 4 is 8, 5 times 3 is 15, and 8 minus 15 is negative 7. And so that's my determinant of this matrix. Then, for any other 2 by 2 matrix where I'm taking the determinant, I could do the same thing. I take the numbers that are in positions A and D and multiply them together, and then I subtract the numbers that are in positions B and C multiplied together. I'm Joe, and thanks for spending some time with me.